everyone. So now we will start with the next point of the chapter number second, that is process assessment and the improvements. So assessment attempts to understand the current state of the software process with the intent of improving it. The existence of a software process is no guarantee that software will be delivered on time, that it will meet the customer needs, or that it will exhibit the technical characteristics that will lead to long term quality characteristics. Process patterns must be coupled with solid software engineering practices. In addition, the process itself should be assessed to ensure that it meets a set of basic process criteria that have been shown to be essential for the successful software engineering. The relationship between the software process and the method applied for assessment and improvement is shown in the figure. We can see there is a relation, that is a software process. Software process improves and identify the modification to the software process, and the capability determines identify capabilities and risk of the software process, and all the software process assessment is again lead to software process improvements and lead to capability determinations. So the process, it could be as software process provide software process assessment and the capabilities determinations which motivates software process improvements. So here are the some process assessments and improvements. The first one is the standard CMMI assessment method for process improvement, or SCAMPI. It provides a 5-step process assessment model that incorporates initiating, diagnosing, establishing, acting, and learning. The SCAMPI method uses the SEI CMMI as the basis for assessment. Next one is CMM based appraisal for internet process improvement. It provides diagnostic techniques for assessing the relative uh, maturity of the software or organization using the SEI CMM as the basis for the assessment. Next one is the SPICE, or the ISO IECI 5504 standard defines a set of requirements for software process assessment. The intent of this standard is to assist organization in developing an objective evaluation of the efficiency of any defined software process. Next one is ISO 900200 for the software is a generic standard that applies to any organization that wants to improve the overall quality of the products, system, or services that it provides. Therefore, the standard is directly applicable to software organization and companies. Because ISO 9001 or 200 is widely used on an international scale, so software organizations have exhibited significant shortcoming in their ability to capitalize on the experiences gained from complete project. The International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO, has developed the ISO 9001 200 standard to define the requirements for a quality management system that will serve to produce higher quality products and thereby improve customer satisfaction. The underlying strategy suggested by ISO 901 and 2000 is described as ISO 900 and 200 stress the improvement for an organization to identify, implement, manage, and continuously improve the effectiveness of the process that are necessary for the quality management system, and to manage the interaction of these processes in order to achieve the organization objective. ISO 900 and 2000 has adopted a plan, do, check, act cycle that is applied to the quality management element of a software project within a software context. Plan establish the process objectives, activities, and tasks necessary to achieve high quality software and resultant customer satisfaction. Do, implement the software process. Check, monitor, and measure the process to ensure that all requirements established for quality management have been achieved. And last one is ACT, which initiates software process improvement activities that continuously work to improve the process. So this is the overall process assessment and the improvements in software engineering. Thank you.